Hands up if, like me, you are excited that spring is finally here. I am. All my winter home projects have been completed now, and I think I am absolutely ready for my new spring-summer creations. But in order to properly get creative, my space has to be organized and somewhat clutter-free. Somehow, I cannot function in a messy space unless it's in the thick of an actual project. In that case, we'll call it organized mess, no? Anyway, please join me as I give my craft studio a refresh for this new life season. Who else is very excited that spring is finally here? Well, I am, and all my winter home projects have been completed. Now I think I'm ready for my new spring-summer creations. One of the comments I got in my craft room setup video was to explore the idea of using the bay window area as an extension of my workspace. So I want to say a big thank you to all my amazing YouTube folks. I read your messages and I listen to your ideas, and they really do feed into all the different things that I do here on the channel.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain, always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives, let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see.
You might also notice how much I've been enjoying sharing home and repurposing videos, such as the candle jar upcycling video that I shared here on YouTube. It's in the form of a short. These are practical ideas that I actually do at home, and I always try my best to remember to film, edit and share them here on YouTube, just to inspire other people so they can have a go at reusing stuff that they've used at home rather than throwing them into the recycling bin.
Let me go for one day, let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye.
Okay, here is the newest sewing pattern to join my collection, and I will be exploring the use of all the other sewing patterns that I've collected over the years in my upcoming videos. I have a collection that I'm actually working on, and it's using vintage sewing patterns and bits and pieces that I've picked up from vintage stores. There is this vintage store that I spotted, or I found in Hither Green. It's called Crimson and Clover, and I do go in there from time to time to have a look to see if they've found any new vintage pieces.
See it. Oh.
also been doing quite a bit of thrifting, and I found this beautiful vase, and it's actually from Victorian times, and these beautiful vintage buttons for the upcoming projects that I'm working on. So please be on the lookout for more crafty videos ranging from home, repurposing and sewing content here on the channel. I really appreciate your kind words, your time watching my videos. Thanks for watching this refresh video, and I will see you in my next one. All the very best. Take care. Bye.